Not just
Honorable, come.
See what you give one never dream.
How now they enjoy this new set way?
Say new waiting.
Now you do
house.
They talk say you never pay the money finish, so you know say as everywhere.
Don't be said that just off for the former house.
They can't bring us this
we
one.
We lose that politically. We lose that our. So wetin we can't get now?
Let him stay there. Listen to your princess so that we go know the kind Beleive will give us.
You were about saying something, right down. Make we hear you.
Yeah, what have they tried talk per se before the wonderful honorable enters at the
Yes,
studio?
thank you.
I've been trying to say yes. I believe it's a spiritual aspect because yes, we live in the spiritual world. I believe say yes, person feel dream and you feel they see some kind thing they happen to you for your dream. So at that point you need to go meet some kind of person to pray for you. But I also believe say because all the stories that I don't hear now say I born for spirit world. I never see say the thing come spirit. No, I actually go with una for that one.
That's
say,
what I'm not saying you cannot see
something actually happened.
Something
happened. But another thing again why they pray be say I hope they not kill that pikin.
No, they say the pikin. No,
they say the
pikin just
pikin
die.
because
They don't know the cause. Nothing. They
I
don't find the cause.
I don't know.
They say the pikin die. My own be say even if you they talk say
the pikin was healthy. They say
I don't hear people.
If you read the story, they say they born this pikin healthy.
Anything can happen. Some people have been born healthy and died.
But a confession be say, when she they talk be say, when pastor start to they pray, say and then the baby can't cry. When pastor start to they pray, and then the baby can't cry. So as long as they not kill that baby, Lord.
As far as I'm concerned, baby can die of any natural cause.
As long as they not kill the baby.
Let us forget this issue of mystical baby, snake giving baby.
So we can't focus on you now.
Yes, now I did in the house, so please pay attention to me.
Oh, no.
So are you a spiritual woman be or you are physical?
Because you when they talk about spiritual. Now you talk say don't go mountain. Only God know the mountain and the spiritual.
I fire my prayer at the right people. Physical people, not spiritual. The Bible says my battle is not against flesh and blood. It's against beneath princess.
So you don't need prayer.
So focus on beneath princess. So why don't they focus on the
well for
you? I look like a person that need prayer.
You do. You need prayer.
Honorable.
You need prayer.
The thing is that
she get cat and cold and cough and
I really don't understand what some people don't talk
about.
Oh my God.
I don't understand, but don't worry, yeah?
I know what you go kill honorable.
Thank you, let it kill
I know what you go kill.
Let it kill him.
The same thing where they kill people like him. I will not say it until the prophet tell me to say it.
Honorable will not.
You eat apple.
Nothing will kill you, Honorable.
The same apple where Adam shop.
We let me eat it and die. At least die for her love. The love of her.
Die honorably.
We hold me again.
As an honorable, you die honorable. Please
Oh
let
my
us go
God,
away.
oh my God.
All this one is shortly. We know it.
Look at their faces, look at how they are looking. Oh my God, oh my God.
Shebina Benin they go. You don't need to hold your head.
Let them hear it. Some people jealous of us because of our love. Hey, level.
Take it away, producer.
Let us go
somewhere.
Don't look at me that way.